In this video, we go over some basic functions of your desk or move terminal. We will show you how to process sales, how to void and refund transactions, how to settle the batch at the end of the day, and how to set up other functions. In order to access some of the options on your terminal, you would need to enter your merchant admin password. It was given to you by our activations agent when you called us to activate your point-of-sale device. Let's start with a sale. From the main screen, tap Sale, enter the amount, and press the green OK button. The terminal will now prompt you to insert, tap, or swipe the card. Insert the card into the EMV chip reader. Enter the PIN number and press the green OK button. The terminal will dial out, display the approved message, and ask you if you would like to print a customer's copy of the receipt. You can select yes or no, depending on your customer's preference. The merchant copy of the receipt will print out automatically right after. While processing a sale, you can also use a contactless function. Just tap your card at the top of the terminal, not on the screen, and you are good to go. Now, what if you processed a wrong sale amount by mistake? You can easily void the wrong transaction on the same day before closing the batch. To void a specific transaction, please have your receipt ready. From the main screen, tap Void. Enter your admin password and press OK. The terminal will offer two options: to void the last transaction or to enter a specific record ID from the receipt. If you need to void the last transaction, please select Void Last Transaction and tap OK. The terminal will dial out to the host and return an approved message. If you need to void any other transaction processed on the same day, tap Enter Record ID option on the screen and enter the record ID found on the receipt. Now, if the batch was closed or the transaction in question was processed on a different day, you need to process a refund instead of void. To refund a transaction, please have your receipt and a card used to process this transaction ready. From the main screen, tap Refund. Enter your admin password and press OK. The terminal will ask you to enter an invoice number. You can find it under Record Number on the receipt. Once you enter a record number from the receipt, the terminal will prompt you to enter the refund amount. Enter the amount, press OK, and insert the card into the EMV chip reader. The terminal will dial out to the host, and the approved message will appear. In order to settle your terminal's batch, tap on Transaction and select Settle. Enter your merchant password and tap OK. The terminal will display your totals for the day. Press OK. The terminal will display Totals Match. Settle the batch? Select Yes, and print the summary report. Your batch is now settled. If you need to set up additional functions on your terminal, such as a prompt for a tip or a clerk ID, you need to go to the Options menu. From the main screen, tap Admin, Settings, Setup, and then Options. Enter your merchant admin password and press OK. The terminal will now walk you through various options. Please tap Yes to set up the options you need, and No on those that are not applicable to your business. Once you are done, please press the red Cancel button a few times to go back to the main screen. You are good to go.